Hello and welcome to WPKlik's YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to install the WooCommerce plugin for your online store. Obviously, the first thing you'll need to do is to go and download the plugin. In your dashboard, navigate to Plugins and click on Add New. Now type WooCommerce in the search bar. Once you've located the plugin, click on Install Now. When the installation process is complete, go ahead and activate the plugin. Once you have successfully installed and activated the plugin, you will need to set it up. You will be automatically redirected to the plugin setup wizard, which is rather straightforward and intuitive. You will have to enter some essential info, such as the location of the store, address, currency, type of products you intend to sell, and so on. Next, you will need to set up your preferred payment options. Remember, you can also change everything later if need be. Select the payment gateways you want to use, for instance Stripe or PayPal. Note that the WooCommerce plugin will download and install these payment plugins. Complete these actions and click on Continue. You will now need to set everything regarding your preferred shipping options. Select the shipping zone and method and pick which countries you want or don't want to ship to. Note that if you go for the flat rate option, you will have to set a fixed price to cover your shipping costs, both for your shipping zone and for other zones. For instance, if your location is in the UK, that will be your shipping zone and one rate will apply, but there will be another rate for shipments sent to other zones like USA or Greece. You should also select your preferred weight and dimension units: kilos, centimeters, pounds, inches, and so on. The next step of the WooCommerce installation wizard will offer some recommended plugins that you can but don't have to use. Pick the ones you need and click on Continue. The plugin will now ask you whether you want to connect your store with Jetpack or not. Depending on whether you need this plugin or not, you can either click on Continue with Jetpack or on Skip this step. The final step of the installation and setup process for the WooCommerce plugin is where you need to provide your email address so that WooCommerce can keep you updated. You will also have to specify whether you want to add some products immediately. However, we recommend going back to your dashboard by clicking on Visit Dashboard, or better yet, to Review Settings. In the future, whenever you want to change anything about your WooCommerce plugin or your online store, just go to WooCommerce in your dashboard menu and click on Settings. For more customization options, you can go to Appearance in your dashboard menu and pick WooCommerce from there. The following options will appear. The Store Notice option is used to add a custom notice and display it to your shop visitors. This is a useful feature for promotions, special offers, news, and similar situations. The Product Catalog offers useful options such as default sorting of your products or how many products you want to be shown per row and per page. The Product Images option allows you to set how you want your product images to be displayed, specifically whether you want them cropped or not. Next, the Checkout tab offers different options for customizing your checkout page. Once you're done setting up everything just the way you want, click on Publish to save the changes. Remember, you can always return to these options and change them again in the future if you need to. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information on this topic, check out the description and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.